Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. You guys are watching Crystal's Deep Tarot, and today I'm going to do the career and finances readings for the sign of Capricorn for the month of September 2021. So watch this video if you are a Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising or Venus sign, and also keep in mind that these are general readings, so they may or may not resonate for all of you. If they do not do, you can check for any other placements. So let's see what's happening for Capricorn for the month of September 2021 in their career life. So okay, all right. So let's see what's happening here. In the past, somebody might have cheated you. They might have taken away your money, your resources or something, right? Yeah, I see that energy. Something might have happened, right, in the past, and basically they stole away your money or something. But I see that slowly but gradually you are moving towards calmer waters, right? Yes, it was difficult for you to move on after whatever was left with you, but you just, it's a feeling of, although the journey was hard, right, and it was difficult, and it was heart wrenching, but yeah, you took the journey and you finally thought that no, I can't be in such waters anymore, and I need to move towards calmer waters, right? So you took your journey to make the things calm at your end, right? And you're still doing it, I believe, right? You need to do this, you need to do this, you need to move towards calmer waters if you have not yet done, because this has come in the overall energy for the reading, right? I see that in the present moment, somebody who's very wealthy, very rich, very abundant is helping you. Now it may be an old man as well who's very, very stable. Now this may be also somebody in your family, your grandfather, your grandparents, or maybe your rich uncles or somebody in your family. So there is somebody who's very rich and wealthy who I think is helping you in the present moment. You have hopes and fears, right? You think so that the situation is very illusional and you really can't see through. You have some fears which are subconscious fears maybe coming to the surface, and basically you have fears related to the situation because of whatever happened in the past, right? So you are still unable to see through the things and believe in yourself. I see that. Now I see that in the environment, maybe you are you have somebody who is very authoritative in your environment, somebody who's very maybe harsh or something, and maybe you're dealing with the legal and judiciary system as well, right? So but I would say that the things are going to be fair, right? Because this person, although they might be rude, but they're very fair as well, right? Yeah, so you might be going through some law cases, or such things, some legal matters, right? Now I see that you are you have a fear that what if, right, again there is some authoritative person, and maybe, as I said, that some case might be going on between that person and you might have filed a case against them, somebody who took away your money or your property, your resources, something, somebody who cheated you. So you have a fear that what if this person, although they are very rude and cunning, but what if I am not able to fight with them. Maybe they turn out to be more powerful because they are very witty, so they are very clever as well. So you have a fear that what if they win the case and I get defeated, I have to face the defeat, right? So I see that in the near future, I think you will be happy. You will be receiving the fruits of whatever labor you have done, and you will be enjoying that. So I really see that you will be getting justice for whatever has happened, right? So maybe there was a, as I said, very controlling person, right? Somebody with whom maybe you were partners with, or somebody was there whose ways were not correct, who was a very toxic person, and because of that, all this upheaval happened in your career life, and maybe they took away certain things from you, maybe they stole, right? So I see that, things would be fair, and whatever you are going through at the present moment, the legal cases or something, you're going to receive whatever you deserve, right? So I see that in the near future, right, you will be restored with whatever you had lost, right? So things will go in your favor, and I see that in the far future also you will be getting a surprise offer or something that you had not expected. Maybe it would be very sudden for you. You had not expected the things to go very quickly and such an offer to be made to you so quickly, but yeah, see the things happening for you. So slowly but gradually, as I said, you will be moving towards calmer waters, right, after whatever has happened in the past. So I see that you need to be clearing your subconscious fears. This is advice for you, because some fears are actually stopping you, and when you are fearful, when you are in the energy of fear, in your vibrations of fear, you're going to attract the same thing, right? Whatever you think, you attract that. So if you think positive, right, I know that you're not able to see the situation through at the moment, and everything is so you find that you have lost your way, you don't know what to do about this thing, but things are going to be favorable for you. You need to believe this, right? And I see everything is happening in your favor, and you will receive the fruits of whatever labor you have done till now, and you will be independent, right? Now I'll draw some oracle cards for you now for your career. Let's see what are the oracle messages for you for your career and finances. Begin now. Take your first step. Grace and gratitude. Through gratitude, joy expands. Navigating by the stars. Follow your bliss. And desert places, so trust there is a divine plan. You need to believe, right? So you need to have that trust in the universe that there is a divine plan for you, right? Everything is going to work out. There is somebody who's helping you out, as I said, right? So begin now. Take your first step. You need to take your steps. You need to do your work, right? And you need to have that grace and gratitude as well towards the universe, because you need to believe the system of law, the system of karma working in this universe. You need to be believing that, and you need to be believing that I have everything, and everything is going to be in my favor, because it is through your gratitude that you will be in that higher vibrations of happiness. So when you will be in the higher vibrations of happiness, you will be attracting that. So let your fears go away and let it be replaced by grace and gratitude, right? And navigating by the stars, follow your bliss. Believe that you're abundant. Believe that there are people who are going to help you, and things are going to be in your favor. You need to be having that belief, right? So yeah, that's what I have, Capricorn, for you for your career for the month of September 2021. I hope it helps and resonates. So do like, share and subscribe, and also comment in the comment section and let me know from where you're logged in, because it's always good to know. So that's what I have for you. I'll see you next time. Till then, take care. Bye.